So what this does, it gives a level of robustness to the system. Oh, you made me blimmin' splurge my words out the end. Hi, I'm David Pagan Butler, and I was going to talk today about bubble pump layout in an organic pool, but I've just been informed of some news. In order to improve the dwindling quality of my films, I'm to have an assistant, although they did keep on referring to them as a replacement. Anyway, when I heard it was Dominic West, I was actually really excited, obviously. But then when I looked in a phone book, I realised there's loads of Dominic Wests. And it wasn't actually the Dominic West, the NVQ level 2 qualified plumber from Lowestoft. It was a Dominic West. So sorry about that. Anyway, bear with, let's see how he gets on. I have been allowed on the set to do a bit of light gardening.
Hi, I'm Dominic West, and I've been brought in to give a reboot to the David Pagan Butler Organic Pool film series, because obviously spreading the good news about the DIY organic pools and the Pagan Butler bubble method is far too important to be left up to David's shambolic presentation, his appalling dress sense, and hair that would not look out of place on an old bulrush. So we'll be rebooting all the films, including my own favourite, Sand or Gravel, not as interesting as it sounds. How are you getting on with the deadheads?
We're okay.
Keep on bubbling, everyone. What about your plastic one?
What?
Your rubber one?
A rubber one? A rubber one?
Have you got a rubber
Boiler suit.
boiler suit?
Do you mean a sort of wetsuit? Rubber boiler suit.
You do, you have a rubber one on.
Do I?
Yeah.
In your dreams. I've got bloody rubber boiler suit.